A person's heart is the same as heaven and earth, is one of the deepest philosophical teachings found in the Bubishi. Like many classical Chinese and Okinawan martial maxims, it has multiple layers of meaning that extend far beyond fighting. 1. The heart means more than emotion. In the Bubishi, the word heart refers to the Japanese concept of kokoro, shin, the unified mind, spirit, intention, and character. It is not merely emotion, but the center of one's entire being. The teaching suggests that the martial artist should cultivate a heart that functions according to the same principles as heaven and earth. 2. Heaven and earth represent natural law. Throughout Chinese philosophy, Taoism, Confucianism, and classical martial traditions, heaven, Tian, and earth, Di, symbolize the universal order. Heaven represents clarity, wisdom, balance, timing, constant movement. Earth represents stability, patience, strength, support, endurance. Together they represent harmony. The martial artist should strive to become part of this natural order rather than fighting against it. 3. Respond. Don't resist heaven and earth, never become angry. They don't force events. They simply respond according to natural law. Likewise, the accomplished martial artist should avoid emotional reactions. Instead of anger, fear, ego, revenge, the practitioner acts from calm awareness. This is why experienced masters often appear relaxed even during conflict. 4. Adaptability. Nature is constantly changing. Rain becomes rivers. Wind bends trees. Water flows around obstacles. The heart of the martial artist should possess the same adaptability. If an opponent pushes, don't oppose. If they pull, follow. If they rush, receive and redirect. The strongest person isn't the one who resists the most. It's the one who adapts the best. 5. The heart has no bias. Heaven shines on everyone. Earth supports everyone. Neither chooses favorites. The martial artist should cultivate the same impartial mind. This means leaving behind prejudice, anger, arrogance, attachment. A clear heart sees reality as it is, not as we wish it to be. 6. Calm under pressure. In combat, panic narrows perception. A heart like heaven and earth remains expansive. Instead of focusing on one threat, it remains aware of everything. This connects directly to another Kempo Gokui teaching. The eyes must see all sides. A broad mind produces broad vision. 7. The moral dimension. The Bubishi repeatedly emphasizes that martial skill without virtue is dangerous. A heart like heaven and earth possesses compassion, humility, patience, restraint. The highest goal isn't defeating others. It is mastering oneself. 8. Application to karate. During kata, remain relaxed. Don't force techniques. Allow movement to flow naturally. During kumite, don't become emotionally attached. Respond to what actually happens, maintain awareness before, during, and after movement. During daily life, avoid unnecessary conflict, remain steady under stress, make decisions with clarity instead of emotion. 9. The deeper meaning. Many people interpret this phrase as saying, become one with nature. A more precise interpretation is, allow your heart to operate according to the same universal principles that govern heaven and earth. Nature does not hesitate, it does not boast, it does not panic. It simply functions in perfect accordance with reality. The ideal martial artist strives to do the same. A modern interpretation. For today's practitioner, this teaching can be understood as cultivate a heart that is as balanced as heaven, as steady as earth, and as adaptable as nature itself. When your mind is calm, your perception becomes clear. When your perception is clear, your actions become effortless. This principle reminds us that true martial arts are not simply about developing stronger techniques. They are about developing a character that reflects harmony with the natural order. In the Bubishi, technical skill and moral cultivation are inseparable, and this maxim captures that ideal in a single sentence.